Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change or update your channel settings on YouTube on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, use a shortcut on the toolbar, or we can physically search and type and then click. Go to YouTube Studio. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation bar on your screen, all the way to the bottom where we see that click wheel. Click on Settings, Channel, and now we see the basic information. To edit the channel's name, click Google account. It will redirect you to a new page where we can change the name. Keywords, we can add, delete, remove, change the keywords if required to. The country, which is already set for me, so I don't need to change. We can customize channel. If we click this, it takes us to a new page, and we are therefore able to customize the channel if required to. Click the wheel. Talks about privacy, customize the layout, the discussion tab, translate information. Go back to YouTube Studio. Go to advanced settings, your audience. If your channel is made for kids or not, you can change the settings with the laws on copper. Google Ads account, you can link an account, show the subscriber count, and then we have other channel settings such as advanced, status, feature manager account, delete or hide, remove internet-based ads, branding, choose an image. Adding a video watermark to your content is a great way to improve the brand awareness and channel recognition. So we'll do that now. Choose the image. We have the image on the desktop available. Choose. Select a square image and try again. So we now have to edit the image. 150 pixels by 150 pixels. Get the information. Screenshot that now. Choose the image. If that doesn't work, edit the image again according to the pixels, the format. Now we have edited the photo according to the pixels and the format. Choose the image. End of the video. Custom start time, entire video. Save. And now that has been done, we can quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.